thunderstorm warning for northern Monroe County, south central Morgan County, southeastern Owen County, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:37 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Spencer, or 9 miles northwest of Bloomington, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bloomington, Gillettesville, Lake Lemon, and Unionville. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Spawn tornadoes go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Monroe, Morgan, and Owen. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for central Indiana for the period today and tonight. The following weather hazards can
That was
be
expected.
lightning,
That was unexpected.
damage and wind gusts.
Anyways, guys, more alerts
Heavy rain and
soon.
flooding